Nicholas just transferred $256 out of his bank account. As a result, the account now has $50,605 left in it. I need that bank account. How much money was in the account before the transfer? So he had a certain amount of money, right? Then he subtracted out 256 to get 50,605. I need to find out what was in the original amount. So since I subtracted 256 to get this new number, in order to find my old number, I have to add 256 plus 50,605. So we are going to add 256 plus 50,065. Make sure you write everything in order. Place value, of course, is very important. So everything's all lined up. And we're going to add these two numbers. 6 plus 5 is 11. Write out your 1, carry your 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus nothing is 6. So drop down your 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. Nothing plus 0 is 0. Nothing plus 5 is 5. So Nicholas started out with $50,861. And when he took away 256, he had this much left, which is less than what he started with. So that's our answer.